How to change subtitles and captioning style on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down again. And here in section, you can see here the subtitles and captioning. Okay, go to this. In subtitles and captioning, okay, here you can see the style. And this style is set into transparent background. To change the subtitles in captioning style, you'll have to do stop this, and you can see the option. So you can set into large text, classics, outline text, or you can create a new style. So okay guys, so for my example, I changed the subtitles in captioning style into classic. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully changed the subtitles and captioning style on iPhone X.